Okay, hello everyone. We are going to plant some sage today. Can I see it? Let me see. We're going to plant some sage by Fairy Moore. And I don't have sage in my garden, so I was thinking of doing this today. I love sage in my food, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm just kind of looking over the directions. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the ground. You guys stay tuned. Okay, so we just made some holes in our container. Let me see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6 holes. You want to put the seed in one of the holes? Uh-oh. They're tiny. You can't lose it. Hold on. Here. Here.
Okay.
Be careful. See? Can you put it in this hole right here? Okay. There you go. Very good. Our first seed in the soil. High five. All right.
Another one.
You want to do another one? Okay. Let's do another one. Boy, these tiny. I've seen seeds tinier than this. So this really isn't that bad.
That's right, the tiny one.
Yeah. Here. Okay. Pick it up with your, there you go. Put it in the second hole. Very good. Alrighty, so we have put our sage seeds in the soil in the hole. Now we need to what? Cover them. Yes. So you're going to take your finger and go like that.
Okay.
Can you do that? Very good. Very lightly. Okay, that's enough. Now we need to water them with some water. So it takes 10 to 20 days for these seeds to germinate. I'm going to water on them like that. Like that. Nope, that's okay. All right, so we're going to leave these outside. I know it says do it inside, but I've done plenty of seeds outside and they grew. So I'm not going to deal with that. So we're going to leave them out here. It says it's supposed to be in a sunny area. And that's what we're going to do. We sprinkle just a little bit more water. Okay. We're going to leave them out here. And I guess we'll do an update on the growth. And thanks for watching us. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.